Good morning, guys. Here's a little slight change in the pace. I know we're working on the bumper right now, but I got some exciting news. I just got the keys to my own shop. We're on the way to go check it out. It's pretty much empty. There's nothing in there, but I got the keys. Let's go drop some stuff off. Boom. Yeah, there's a key under that thing. That's for the lock. So this is it, guys. Check it out. We got the key on the 1st. Today is the 10th. We've been moving stuff in here kind of slowly but surely. And I'm super stoked to say we are moving on up. Mr. Second Chance himself, the Square Body Builders have united, and we will be working out of here. I'll still be doing builds at home, but I finally decided it's time to offer my services, and people have been asking, you know, you show up in your own shop, so we're gonna give this a shot. We're not open to the public right now. Probably, I say, with maybe next month. I have a car lift that we're gonna be looking at one, so we can do the exhaust work. Tomorrow we'll be going to check out our plasma table, so we can start doing our own C notches and stuff. A bunch of car parts. Right now I've just been kind of bringing stuff from home, all the stuff that I won't be needing over there. We're gonna have a small area eventually for a bunch of our for sale parts. People could come by and, you know, see what we got for sale. Rims, tires, engine parts, headers, you know, stuff like that. Let's go in here, drop this stuff off. So excuse the noise. And it does have a swamp cooler in here. And man, that's kind of like the main thing that I always wanted since I ever started working on cars, is to be able to work on a car in the summer. Because right here in Kern County, the summers here they're pretty bad. If you go to like my other videos, you'll see when I'm working on cars like in September. Got a little office right here, check it out. Ain't much, but it's a lot to me, and I don't know if you guys can tell the excitement in my voice, but it's definitely something that I had it in my mind that one day, God willing, I'd be able to open my own spot. And rain season, we won't be in the rain. We won't have to stop working. You guys watch my videos, you know I do all my work under the canopies, and this is definitely a huge upgrade from that. I'll kind of just turn you guys around. A lot of this stuff is just wall art. Eventually this stuff will just, you know, go on our for sale shelves. We got some wall art. I brought a lot of my tanks over here. We brought our go-kart over here. We got our couple grills. A lot of our car show banners will be going up. Exhaust for sale. And then Gilbert, if you guys been following the channel, Gilbert is Mr. Second Chance. So we'll be teaming up. You'll be seeing him in here with me. We still haven't decided how we're gonna work this whole thing out. This is extremely new to me. I have no idea, but I am definitely ready, and I think this is gonna be a great opportunity to take it up just one more notch. We don't have an official name for the shop yet, so this is just a real quick kind of walk around and letting you guys know that this is gonna be my home away from home. So some videos will be in here. I have to see how the audio sounds and everything. I don't know if it's gonna be all too much echo in here or not, but hopefully it'll be good. Hopefully I won't have to do a bunch of voiceovers. I'm not too good at that stuff, but I will continue the dually built at home if the weather permits. If it starts to rain a lot, you know, the car show is in September. Today we're in April 10th. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done to that thing. If it starts raining or the weather gets too bad where I can't finish it, then we'll connect the drive line. And it still has the motor, still has the transmission, and everything still runs decent. We'll make the drive line fit, and we could bring it in here and finish it in here. But I kind of feel like it's kind of cheating, because that is supposed to be a backyard build, and bringing it inside of a shop makes it more of a shop build. But being that it's gonna be our own shop, I guess this is kind of like my backyard, I guess. There's the swamp cooler. I gotta see how the audio sounds with that. I see Gilbert's been putting in a lot of work. There's a bunch of this stuff I haven't seen, so I know he brought some of this stuff over here. Got some cool caps. Those will probably go on the wall. You know, Gilbert's got a bunch of cool stuff, so I can't wait. I can't wait to see all that stuff on the wall. You know, that's gonna be pretty sweet. Kind of put this thing together. There's an award that I got with Mr. Miyagi at one of the backyard, what is it? Streets of Bakersfield show. I think it was top 40 or something. I don't remember. We'll bring a bunch of our trophies over here. We're gonna set up the small little office. It'll probably just be more of a break area. I don't think we need an office, but I think if we get to that point where somebody needs to sit down and talk about numbers, that'll probably happen in here. This is Gilbert's super cool bench. It looks like we're gonna be having a little TV action, possibly YouTube, most likely. I don't know, maybe we'll put it out here, watch videos, get inspired. But yeah, guys, welcome to, doesn't have a name yet, shop. If you guys have some ideas, let me know. What do you guys think? What would a shop be called if a person named Second Chance and a person known as Square Body Builders open a business together? There's gonna be auto repair in here. There'll be some fabrication stuff going in here. Obviously custom air ride suspension stuff. What would a shop be named? Give me a couple names. I'm really kind of stuck on what it should be called. I think once something has a name, it kind of just feels a lot more like professional. I don't want this to kind of seem like a garage. I want to treat this more as a business. So what would a business be named that's gonna be doing a bunch of cool stuff with a bunch of cool people? out of the weather. Let me know. But thank you guys for coming with me. Appreciate you guys for you guys' support since the beginning. There's been a lot of you guys out there that have seen pretty much every truck I've done, and the short clips here and there from trucks that didn't even get a chance to make it to YouTube. But for everybody that's still here with us now, this is also for you guys. Better content. We'll be filming a lot more often because weather is not going to be an issue anymore. If it starts to pour like crazy at home, then we'll come to the shop. Man, somebody's got some good music out here. There's an auto body shop right next door, and then they also paint cars on the other side of that building. And this one kind of looks like it's abandoned, I think, or I'm not sure. I haven't seen anybody here, but this is us. Maybe we should put a little thing up there. Once it's official, we'll have a name. We'll probably put it up there, or maybe have somebody do something fancy right there. But that's it, guys. It ain't much, but it will be. Trust the process. I'll catch you guys on the flip side.
Square body builders, that's the name. Fueling passion, igniting flame. Backyard hustle, grinding hard, turning rust into works of art.